Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic how to delete the data from the database MySQLite in PHP. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is how to delete the data from MySQLite database in PHP. For an example, suppose I have created a page whose name is view.php. In between this, I have a table being created, that is my data put it here. After that, here are the anchors of delete and edit or update. Suppose this is my 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 data being viewed in the view table. So after that, to delete the table, I have created a file that is delete.php. In between this, I have written the coding of PHP start and tag close. In between which I have written that to delete the table value from this table, that is from view PHP. After that, I will set it the anchor. In between this, it will redirect the file, and after the deletion, will open this file. Suppose I want to delete my 2 number file. So what is the syntax? That is delete from, after that table name, after that where, that is ID. I want to delete the ID. Suppose I want to delete 2 number. So here I will write 2 and then semicolon. So this syntax I will use here. After deleting the file, it will go to the anchor and the 2 number will be erased and the 1, 2, 3, 4 serial number will be created because this is being deleted. So in this form we can use the syntax of delete from table name where ID I want to delete, that is 2. So now we'll discuss about the example how to delete the file data from the PHP database. Suppose this is my example, PHP tag start and PHP tag close. In between this, first of all we'll make a connection. We will write localhost root password, that is empty. After that db abc, which is my database name. After that, put this into the variables. First is $server, second is $user, third is $pass, that is password, fourth is db. So now I will make a connection, that is my SQL I connect. After that, pass the variables which are $server, $user, $pass, $db. We will make this into a variable, that is $com, which is used to make the connection. After that, I want to delete my data, that is we will use delete from the table name. My table name is ABC. After that, where the ID, value of ID I want to delete, that is 2 and then semicolon. So now we'll put this into a variable. So my variable name is $SQL, and now we'll perform the if statement. In between this, I will write the my SQL I query. In between this, I will pass my 2 variables, which is $SQL and $connection here. After that, curly braces start and over. In between this, echo, and we will write the message here that deleted, or if this is false, then print else. In between this, I am writing echo error if I have done any mistake. Suppose 2 number file has to be deleted, that is 2 number data that I have given 2 here. So if 2 is been deleted, so it will print echo deleted on the display screen. If I have done any mistake in the coding, so it will print here error and the data will not be deleted. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.